Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this short video I'm going to show you how to sign out Apple ID from other devices. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start the video. To sign out Apple ID from other devices, first we have to go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and tap on your profile name. Now swipe down and you will see all the devices that are connected to your Apple ID. Now tap on the name of the device that you want to delete. When you tap on the device that you want to delete, this page will appear. Now tap on remove from account and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on remove again to confirm. That's it. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.